How to adjust a picture along with the text in your MS Word document. It's pretty simple and easy. As you can see in this document, we have the picture here and we also have the text beside the picture, and it looks pretty neat and readable. If you want to have something similar to this, it's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. After typing this text, I want to insert this image into this text. So first I'm going to come on this image and make sure I highlight on this image. Then after that I'm going to right click on it, then click on picture. With this selected, I'm going to click on layout and make sure I have my inline with text selected. Then after that I'm going to click on OK. After accomplishing this phase of task, I'm going to make sure I click on the picture, then drag it to the top text that I'm having. In this case, I'm going to drag it to the upper text and leave it there. So this will not look neat in the first instance. We're going to adjust it to fit in a particular position. So make sure you adjust it a bit until you locate the angle of the text that you want it to fit. In this case, I'm going to leave it in my second paragraph. Then after that, I'm going to click on the angle here and readjust the size of this text and scale it down a bit until it's something similar to this. Then I'm going to leave it like this. After that, I'm going to click on this symbol beside this image, which is the layout options. So this will give me a list of layout options. So in this case, I'm going to select the one with text wrapping. I'm going to click on this middle one. Make sure yours is also selected there. You will see automatically the text has gone beside the picture and it looks pretty neat and presentable. So I can either decide to leave it here, or if you want, you can adjust it to any part of the text that you want. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.